Specifically designed for printing high-quality, wide-format vinyl labels and signs, the OJ Pro 2000 combines high performance and ease of use in an affordable package. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Suitable for printing signs and labels on 5-year outdoor-grade vinyl, the OJ Pro 2000 is ideal for applications from compliance labelling and brand marking to warning signs and inventory control. Thanks to its 200mm wide format, it can handle larger signage jobs, while it can also print wide lateral barcodes without having to rotate the image. The printer's large LCD control panel makes it easy to manage all setup parameters, and a built-in Ethernet server simplifies the networking. The whole package comes in a precision-made aluminium die-cast chassis that will ensure a lifetime of precision printing, together with a 2-year warranty. Find out more about the OJ Pro 2000 from ojh.com.au or give them a call. OJ Holdings on 1300 764 788. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.